Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because I share real ways to earn money online and grow on YouTube. Today I'll show you 3 powerful ways to earn money online step by step, even if you're a beginner. First method is freelancing. Freelancing means you sell your skills online. Skills like video editing, graphic designing, content writing. You can work on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Step by step, create your account, add your skill, make a professional profile, start offering services. Even beginners can earn $50 to $500 per month easily. Second method is YouTube. Create videos about gaming tutorials, daily life, smart vlog, free editing links. If you stay consistent, you can reach 1,000 subscribers in 4th watch hours and start earn. Third method is affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn commission. Platforms, Amazon affiliate, Daraz affiliate. Example, if someone buys from your link, you earn money without doing anything else. This is perfect for students and beginners. Listen carefully, don't expect money overnight. Stay consistent for at least 30 days. Learn one skill and master it. Success takes time, but it's 100% possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to painfully comment start if you want to earn online, and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.